We're back. Same ball. 2v2, Mitch and I versus AJ and Anthony Lavery Spar for 1,000 push-ups. 1,000.
Just like 1,000 push pops? Let's do it. Yeah.
All right, Rochambeau for first.
First to 10 strikes.
First to 10 strikes, alternating shots.
You know what?
Rock, paper, scissors, who goes first?
Let's do first to 12 strikes. So Mitch and I can shoot a Baker 300 real quick, and bang, bang.
Like rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
We all do it, all four of us at the same time.
Oh,
Odd
God.
guy out.
Let's go!
Oh, it's 2 out of 3? All right.
Let's go!
All right. We're already losing.
Go get him.
He said, is Mitch ready?
Mitch is ready. Mitch ready.
Well, all the viewers to keep in mind, they picked the easy lane that Mitch didn't hit his 260 ball.
You'll switch halfway through.
Switch it. First one to get 6, we switch. Read those rules. I hate myself.
Where are you going? Yeah. So what we really meant was this is Mitch versus AJ. He's just leaving.
So we bowled a match, and I struck like 9 of the 10 times. So he's just gonna leave it up to you.
No?
Yeah, we beat Tommy and Bill, and he struck once.
Who won the...
That's what a teammate does.
I know, it's all good.
Lets his team take care of it.
Why I took that 2 extra months?
I was going to throw Mitch's. That's the wrong one. Bad footwork, good result. Take a little lead here. Easy to step up.
I'm gonna take my shaming back because it says
The odds have shifted.
probably
Packy and Mitch are only minus 120 now.
live betting on.
Maybe.
So good. This time, I'm not missing.
Can open it. Too much angle.
Hit him with that thing.
Let's go.
Undefeated. I thought that was gonna hook.
I thought you weren't missing again. Fouls count. We're asking for the fans.
Good job. Oh.
Yeah, that was so.
At least his is looking good. Mine's just like.
Let's go 5-4.
Right where it's supposed to be.
When it's 1v2. It's not really. I've only struck. Me and Packy have struck the same amount of times.
Once or twice.
We both struck once.
Yes.
Yeah,
At least like better.
At least
His
you
is
have
just hitting
hope.
the pocket.
Feels so good, doesn't it?
His just straight up looks better. So it's 1v1 with like some cheering from the back.
All right, AJ.
Well,
That means I have to strike now.
I'm here.
For us to stay up by 2, we
I'm
need to
here. I'll
yeah.
throw it slower. Okay, I'll throw it slower.
6, 7.
I've been grinding my couch shot.
We're in the same round.
That's just a good shot. There it was.
And 1, ref.
What's the score?
8-7.
8-7. Okay.
Yeah, did you see it? It's like a string
Still there.
Get off me.
They're sabotaging
I don't
you
know
with
what it is.
string.
You guys play defense?
The old string trick works every time.
Oh,
He said to re-rack. The best
so you're
one
saying
that-
there's a chance.
Oh, you need to hit the pocket here.
Technically, we're a shot behind.
Yes. Technically, it's first one to 10.
It's first one
It
to
is,
12.
It is it's first one to 12. First one to 12. Changing every rule possible.
It's all 12.
Not tied up. Not tied up. Not tied up. What's the score again? 7-7. 7-7?
Parker, what? 9-8.
Okay, that's why I thought. I was like, I thought somebody had 9.
Yeah, we have 9, y'all have 8.
9-8.
Win by 2. No. AJ's struggling a little bit. We got to pick him up.
I need some help from my teammate here. We got each other's backs.
All I hear is we got each other's backs and fronts.
AJ said both of these things.
My partner is distracting me while I'm bowling.
I thought you were laughing at him. I'm gonna drop it all one of your backs. Like in the front.
Is that a bird dog ball or what?
And
Why can't we get sponsored by Bird Dogs? Don't they make shorts or
I
something?
mean, I don't know what you're so excited for. Strike, one strike isn't a good score. It's not tight.
It's 10-9. It's getting to crunch time.
You want the truth?
Ooh, let's go, baby!
Pressure's on them, not us. Pressure's on them. Pressure's on them. I'm letting you know, this ball is slamming the ground in
This
your
is
back.
for the House annual national title.
When Aaron doesn't fall out.
I just beat them on their own channel. We did. Sorry, that was bad. That was partners. We don't lose.
They don't win either, but they don't fall.
We're just here for a good time with good friends. Nice job, guys.
Good job, guys.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Yeah. Good luck this week. Well, good. Just luck.
We kicking it like